Hello, this presentation will be about Smile Air outcomes. Here is our outline. Smile Air is a full-service carrier, have two bases called Madrid and Amsterdam. The airline has 7 destinations with 8 aircraft, including 1 cargo aircraft. With calculation route profitability, it can be seen that Smile Air reached high profit margin with international long-haul flight. However, while fly as a low-cost carrier, the airline had low profitability. When we look at the overall profitability, profit margin was fluctuating, and with pandemic, demand decreased quietly.
On the first chart, we see a general increase for the fuel cost over the scope of all 7 batches. The total fuel expenditure for all batches was recorded as 127.5 million. Fuel cost, as shown on the pie chart, is the largest cost of Smile Air, comprising of 37.51%, followed by lease, marketing, and maintenance costs. We observe an identical increase pattern on cluster column combined analysis chart. In order to understand how the nature of the chart works, I'll explain how we calculated each component. First, we divide fuel cost by 1.2, then multiply it by 0.8 kilograms per liter, and then by 3.16 kilograms emitted per kilogram of jet fuel. This amount is then divided by quarterly RPM to calculate the ratio. There are 4 factors that contributed in evolution of the CO2 emission, which is aircraft types, fuel efficiency, scheduling, and round-trip distances between arrival and departure destinations on international flights. Observing the canvas items, Smile Air managed to use Airbus planes throughout the batches. Different distribution channels were successfully reached through communication means. We also kept turnaround times at optimal levels to avoid delays. When we targeted businesses and elite segment of passengers, we better met the needs of the market, which led to increase in profit margins. There were 3 successes, which are flexible business plan, promised load factor and passenger transportation, and decent usage of aircraft. Also, 3 failures were high cost due to all aircraft, high competition with other airlines, and the fact that Smile Air was stuck on low fees. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions, please ask.